We're going to begin this course with some core concepts, the first of which is something that I call understanding the quote-unquote new web. Whether you know it or not, the days of having your content viewed purely on desktop devices is over with. Our content is being consumed on literally hundreds of different types of devices, all of which have different screen sizes, operating systems, and resolutions that we have to deal with as web designers. Basically, that means that you need to be aware and concerned about how your content will look on devices like an iPhone, a Google Nexus, an iPad, and even a Kindle device. And those are just to name a few. For us as web designers, this means that our workflows must evolve in order to keep pace with the rapidly changing landscape that is the mobile internet. Whereas we used to be able to get away with using just Photoshop to mock up a desktop site, we now have to use Photoshop in conjunction with other apps like Edge Reflow in order to ensure that our content will look its best across all screens and devices. As you begin your quest to evolve your workflow to meet these demands, keep these things in mind. First, always be thinking about user experience of the product that you're creating. Whether it's an app or a website, how the user consumes that content and the ease of use of the product matters more than you could imagine. Second, always be testing your designs. If you're a hybrid person like me, meaning you're a designer and a developer, convert your mockups into code and test them on as many devices as you possibly can. If you're not a hybrid, that's okay. There are tools like Edge Reflow which make it easy for you to simulate what your content will look like at different screen sizes. Next up, work with a developer. Even if you do write code yourself, chances are you don't code for every single environment that's out there. Reach out to developers for different platforms, learn the design standards, educate yourself on the pain points, and finally, always listen to the feedback that those people give you. You can also get really valuable feedback by using services like Behance, which is an online portfolio service provided by Adobe to Creative Cloud members that allows you to post works in progress and get crowdsourced opinions along the way. To put it simply, the game is changing all around us as designers. You have to adapt to this and prepare yourself as best you can so that you can deliver the products that your clients are inevitably going to ask you for.